we will develop a logic to find the sum of digits of a number. So this is the problem we are going to solve. To find the sum of digits of a given number. So let us understand the problem first. Suppose a number is given to us like 2305. What we have to do is we have to extract each digit. Like for example, I am extracting starting from rightmost digit. So the first digit I am extracting is 5. Then the next rightmost digit is 0. That means 5 plus 0. Then I am extracting 3. That means plus 3. And then I am extracting 2. That means plus 2. That means the sum of these 4 digits, that means 5, 0, 3, 2. These are the 4 digits I am having. The sum of these 4 digits will be equal to 10. So this is what I am supposed to display. For this purpose, we are going to develop the algorithm. So what are the steps involved here? So here, first of all, what we have to do is we have to extract the rightmost digit. So rightmost digit is, for example, 5. Then what I have to do? I have to add that 5 to the sum. That means add that digit to sum. So I will take a variable by the name sum. And initially this variable value will be 0. So to that 0, I will add this rightmost digit 5. So 5 plus that 0 will be 5. So like this I want to add this rightmost digit to sum. And then what I do is I will remove the rightmost digit from the number. That means this 5 I will remove. Then what I do, I will go back, extract the rightmost digit, that is 0. That 0 I will add to the previous sum value. That means 5 plus 0 I am having. Then what I do, remove the rightmost digit. That means this 0 I am removing. Then what I do, I will extract the rightmost digit 3 and add that digit to sum. That 3 I am adding to the previous sum value. Then remove the rightmost digit. So 3 I will be removing. Then extract the rightmost digit. That means this is the only digit remaining that I will be extracting. When I extract, my number, not a digit, my number will become 0 because there are no more digits. And add that digit to sum. So that digit 2 I am adding to the previous sum. So what I am having is 5 plus 0 plus 3 plus 2. So this sum I would be displaying after coming out of these 3 steps. So when the number becomes 0, I will not continue these 3 steps and I will come out and I will display the value, that is a sum value 10 I will display. So these steps I want to implement in my algorithm now. So in our algorithm, the first step is start. The second step is input or take the number from the keyboard. In the third step, I want to use a while loop. While the number not equals 0, do. That means execute. So what are the steps you want to execute? As long as the number has got some digits, you have to continue. Once the number becomes 0, you need not continue because this condition will become false. So as long as number not equals 0, continue. What you have to do? The first step is extract the rightmost digit. So extract the rightmost digit. How to extract the rightmost digit? See, if you take the number, divide the number by 10 and take the remainder. Suppose your number is 25. 25 divided by 10. So 2 tens are 20, remainder will be 5. That means in 25 you got 5. That is the rightmost digit. So that you store into digit. And then add the digit to the sum. I am taking one variable by the name sum, and to that sum I am adding this digit. So what I am doing is, to the previous value of sum I am adding this digit that we got, and that again I am storing into sum. Then what I have to do? Remove the rightmost digit. How to remove the rightmost digit from the given number? So for this purpose, what I have to do is, num is equal to integer part of num slash 10. That means divide the number by 10 and convert the number into integer. So how can you do this? Suppose your number is 25. 25 divided by 10 will give you 2.5. In that 2.5, if you use int function, it will take only the integer part. In 2.5, it will give you only 2. That means 2 only. That 5 is removed. That means rightmost digit is removed. That 2 you are taking in the number. And while number not equals 0, again next step you are continuing here. Next step you are continuing here. So this is a way. But what is this sum value? Initially I am adding a digit by digit to this sum. So this sum value initially I should take as 0. So let me take step number 3 here, and here sum value I will initialize to 0, because initially there is no sum. Initially it is 0 only. After you add the digits, the sum value will increase. And this I am making it to 4th step. Now in the 5th step I will come out and display that sum value. This will give you the sum of the digits of the number. And in the last step we can stop the algorithm or the processing. We can stop. Let us convert this algorithm into a Python program to find sum of digits of a given number. Take the second step in the algorithm. Num is equal to int of input of enter a number. So number I am receiving from the keyboard, and then sum is equal to 0. I am using a while loop. While a number not equal to 0 colon. See, after the condition you have to use colon, and after colon the body of the loop will start. All the statements in the body of the while loop should be written by leaving 4 spaces before each statement. So these 4 spaces, leaving 4 spaces, this is called indentation. Indentation means leaving 4 spaces, leaving spaces before the statement. That is called indentation. So indentation should also be correct in Python. So now let me extract the rightmost digit from the number. For this purpose, the logic is divide the number by 10 and take the remainder. That will give you the rightmost digit from the number. Then add this digit to the sum, and that sum value you should store again into the sum. That means this sum, in the next time in the while loop, this sum will become this sum plus next digit that you are storing into sum. Again, to that previous sum you are adding the next digit. So like this, the sum of the previous sum plus the new digit will be stored into sum again. Now remove the last digit or rightmost digit from the number. That means divide the number by 10 and take only the integer part. So that will remove the rightmost digit from the number, and remaining part of the number you are storing into num, and again you are going back in the while loop. If that number not equals 0, again you are repeating these steps. When you will come out of this while loop, when the number is equal to 0, that means there are no more digits in the number, then here in the last step what you get is this int function will give you 0. So when the number is equal to 0, this condition becomes false and you will come out of the while loop. Now print the sum of digits is equal to comma the sum value you are displaying. So what this print function will do, this print function will display sum of digits is equal to this string, it will display comma, after that it will display some value, and with this our program is completed. File save and then run module. You can run the program. Enter a number. Suppose I am entering 2305. This is my number. So sum of digits is equal to 10. So this is how you can find sum of digits in the given number.